Hello everyone, welcome in. Today we are doing a litter video between our alley cat mixes, Typhoon. This is Typhoon, she is the mom, and Griffin, who is the dad. So we are going to show off their kittens today. They have just been weaned. So we have Bizquick, Jerry, Jojo, and Milk Dud. 3 males and 1 female. The female wears this pretty white bow, and the males all got hats to wear. So I think we're going to let them hang out in here for a minute, and then we might go somewhere else. Petz 5 is kind of hard because the bowls, there's no fix for the bowls yet, so if anybody tries to eat from the bowl, it will continuously like bounce down, and it's really hard for them to actually be able to eat out of it. But anyways, we're just going to kind of check in with these guys and let them meet each other as kittens, meet their parents. When they are infants, they don't really register relationships and stuff like that, so it's almost like they're all meeting each other for the first time. Kind of wish it wasn't like that, but it is. So it's fun to see relationships develop, what they think of each other. Oh, there we go, Jerry. He was able to eat out of the bowl just fine. We got Bizquick and Jojo kind of meeting each other. We got Jerry meeting his mom, Typhoon. Got Milk Dud down here sitting and just watching them. Jojo's grabbed the... Those two definitely don't get along. Bizquick and Jerry. They do not like each other. Got Typhoon giving Jerry a little bath. Looks like Bizquick is glaring at his sister, Milk Dud, too. Alley cats do have like a naturally angry look to them a lot of the times, but they are usually pretty sweet cats. And all of these guys will be converted to Petz 4 and available for adoption up on my website, which is linked in my YouTube bio. So if anybody is interested in adopting any of these guys, then that is where you'll be able to find them. And again, if you do not have the Petz 4 game, I have a link for that on my website too, in the links section, where you can get the Petz 4 game for free. It looks like Bizquick and Milk Dud do not like each other either, so Bizquick is having a hard time getting along with his siblings for sure. He should probably go to an, well, kind of like an only cat home, but I'm sure there's someone he'll get along with. Look at them all cuddled up together. Aww. He apparently loves his mom. He's a mama's boy. Jojo and Milk Dud are being cute down here with their dad, Griffin. Aww. Looks like Jojo and Jerry get along good. So they could go to a home together if anybody wanted to adopt them together. Kittens are tiring. Parents almost always fall asleep. And Bizquick is able to eat out of the bowl too, that's good. I like it when they are actually able to eat when they want to eat. So yeah, let's, after Bizquick is done eating, we'll pick a new spot to go. I think I want to go, let's go to the cat's playroom first. Just have a bunch of pillows everywhere in here apparently. Some toys. that the cats have put up on surfaces. And we'll go ahead and get some more food out for them if they would like to try and eat more. Let's see if there's any other toys. Excuse my voice, it's trying to go away. Bring the unicorn toy back out because everybody seems to love that toy when they are young. There we go. Just kind of watch them for a little bit. You guys can watch them. Get a feel for their little personalities. Typhoon's being a good mom, giving all of her kittens a bath. Put some treats out for the cats to practice their hunting skills on. There we go. I love it when they turn over and toss it up in the air. You two be nice. Okay, I thought they were gonna get in another fight, but they decided not to. Good job. Looks like Jojo just kind of minds his own business for the most part, besides like hanging out with Jerry every now and then. Does anybody want to actually play with the cat toy? They all do, apparently. Just can't all play with it at the same time. Bisquick is running from somebody. It looks like he's running from his sister. Milk Dud, be nice to your brother. I do love the color variety that came out. I love that she's like a solid cream and then he got like all the patches, the white and cream. You guys be nice. Put you on pillows. You guys can calm down. Oh, Jerry Bisquick. Come on. No fighting allowed. Aww. Typhoon loves all of her kittens. Milkta loves her mom too. You guys are all just kind of jumbled down here at the bottom. Let's see. Let's see where else we can take these guys. Got the blue sitting room. I like hanging out in here sometimes. So all of these pictures on the walls are of my other cats, Toffee and Snickers. They were my only two cats in this game for a while, so that's why there's pictures of them everywhere. I don't have a whole lot of toy variety in my P5 game. I have way more in Petz 4. You want the bunny down, Bisquick? There you go. Alright guys, well I just wanted to show these guys off, let you guys get to know them a little bit. Again, if anybody would like to adopt one or two, they will be up on my website. Looked at all cuddled up with her mom. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for hanging with me. If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a like and consider subscribing. You guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and until next time, bye-bye.